Hello guys, good morning. How are you all? Today in this video I'm gonna tell you the best important thing to know how to speak English language, and in this video I will tell you how did I learn English as well. So just watch this video till the end and you will know everything about my journey and how did I learn. So the best way to improve your communication is to just try to speak. Speaking part, I would say that it is most important thing. So you have to speak at any cost. If you have a fear of English or a fear of public, fear of mistakes, so don't think about those things, because I know I have been struggling a lot due to those things. So just try to speak and don't think about anything. If you have fear of public, so just try to talk to yourself. You can record your video by yourself in front of mirror or in front of mobile. If you have a fear of a public, so just you can talk to yourself by yourself alone. You can sit on the bench at your place, in your room. So there you can start talking to yourself, describing things whatever you know about yourself. you know if you have a fear of English, just try to speak. Don't think about your English, because you are beginner. If you are an intermediate student or you are over the intermediate into student, so I would say that you are great. You have a great knowledge because you are able to speak now. So you do not have any problem to speak English. So just I would like to tell you that it is a part of our journey. Mistakes are part of our journey, and just try to do things and don't think about anything. If you want to learn English, so you have to speak at any cost. And if I talk about my journey, so how did I learn? So just I moved in Prayagraj city 4 years ago, and that time I didn't have a smartphone because I I didn't have my smartphone, and I didn't have a good friend who knew how to speak English language. But after reaching there, after visiting there, my I had a friend. I got a friend, and he knew how to speak English very well, because he has been studying in English medium school, colleges. So which is why he knew how to speak English language, and his accent was really amazing, and I enjoyed a lot talking to him when I used to live in Prayagraj city. But now you can say I am at my place, so here is no student, here is no partner to speak to them. So which is why I have been practicing a lot by myself. And you can see now I'm alone, so I do not have any friend, I do not have any problem to speak English. So just you can record the video like this, so that you can enhance your knowledge, and definitely you will. It is our journey, so we should always enjoy our journey. Don't think about anything in this world. So the second thing is that if you are making a lot of mistake, or making mistake in English language, so please, I would say that please forget that things and just try to keep going, because it is our part of life. Mistakes are part of life. Just make mistake and learn from your mistake. Don't think about those things. And just uh, so just I would like to say that please keep going and don't give up.